Preparation is the only thing that separates survival from chaos when a disaster strikes. In this video, we're showcasing 25 must-have Doomsday survival gear and gadgets that every prepper should own. From compact multi-tools and off-grid water purifiers to emergency power solutions, long-term food storage, and tactical gear. These gadgets are designed to help you stay safe, smart, and self-reliant in any crisis. Stay tuned. Gadget number 17 could be the most important thing in your bug-out bag. Without further ado, let's dive in. When darkness falls, reliable illumination becomes essential for safety and visibility. The WUBEN flashlight delivers 400 lumens with stepless dimming, RGB lighting, safety red blink, and ultra-bright mode. Its 180 degrees rotatable head, magnetic base, and Type-C rechargeability make it perfect for camping, emergencies, cycling, and repairs, and it's compact enough for keychains, backpacks, or pockets. Power is crucial during outdoor adventures or unexpected outages. The ECOFLOW power station offers fast 1-hour AC charging, portable solar compatibility, and up to 2 times the runtime for longer use. It runs 600 watts of appliances, features a waterproof, fireproof, and drop-resistant design, and supports on-the-go car charging, ideal for camping, emergencies, or powering vital home devices. Seeing clearly in total darkness is essential for safety, exploration, and surveillance. The AKASO night vision binocular features AI ISP-powered full-color night vision with 99% color accuracy, 4K Ultra HD clarity, 16 times digital zoom, rechargeable batteries, and a built-in compass. Ideal for camping, hiking, and security, these waterproof goggles redefine precision in low-light outdoor adventures. A reliable blade is essential for outdoor survival, hunting, and everyday cutting tasks. The CJRB Mutt fixed blade knife features a razor-sharp AR RPM 9-drop point blade, an ergonomic anti-slip micarta handle, and full tang durability. With quick access, multiple carry options, and a secure sheath, it's built for camping, hiking, and rugged outdoor adventures. Reliable storage is vital for tactical missions, survival, or outdoor adventures. The CALUOMATT military backpack features 900D polyester durability, water resistance, and scratch-proof protection. With detachable MOLLE-compatible bags, a large capacity for gear or a laptop, and adjustable mesh straps, this 3-day assault pack is ideal as a bug-out bag, hiking rucksack, or emergency survival backpack. In remote outdoor environments, having a reliable tool for cutting firewood or clearing paths is essential. The Nordic pocket chainsaw offers powerful performance with 33 bidirectional teeth that cut both ways for maximum efficiency. Made in Sweden, it features durable, eco-friendly organic leather handles and a case that is perfect for camping, hiking, survival, and emergency trail clearing. When chainsaws are impractical, a high-performance manual tool becomes essential for serious cutting tasks. The Silky KATANABOY folding saw delivers professional-grade power with its XL impulse-hardened, non-set teeth and taper-ground blade. Designed for backcountry work, trail clearing, and wood processing, it features a 2-handed cushioned rubber handle and folds into a durable nylon shoulder bag. Unexpected power outages in dark confined spaces demand a reliable compact light source. The HOTLIGH flashlight delivers up to 700 lumens with dual front and top lights, 3 modes including Kobe red and stepless dimming. Its clip and magnetic base offer hands-free use, while USB-C fast charging ensures it's always ready for camping, repairs, or emergencies. Personal safety demands fast, effective, and accessible protection in unexpected moments. The Guard Dog Security Pepper Spray features the AccuFire laser sight, offering the world's only laser-assisted OC spray keychain. With a 16-foot range, maximum strength formula, belt clip, safety lock, and single-hand activation, it's the ultimate self-defense tool for women and men on the go. Dead batteries can strike any time, leaving you stranded without warning. The GOOLOO Jump Starter delivers 4,000 amperes of peak power to instantly revive 12-volt vehicles, including cars, RVs, and motorcycles, even in extreme cold. With Type-C in-out, dual USB ports, a power bank function, smart safety clamps, and a rugged build, it's perfect for emergency starts and portable charging. Unexpected repairs or power outages demand a reliable light source. The HOTLIGH rechargeable work light delivers 1,200 lumens with 3 lighting modes: cold, warm, and spotlight. For versatile use, its 5,000 mAh battery doubles as a power bank, while 360 degrees vertical and 180 degrees horizontal rotation, a magnetic base, and a durable build make it ideal for car repairing and emergencies. In outdoor emergencies, having reliable survival tools within reach is essential. The NESAYVER Paracord bracelet combines a whistle, compass, fire-starting flint, SOS light, scraper, and tool card in a compact, wearable form. With adjustable sizing and strong nylon paracord, it's ideal tactical gear for camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, climbing, and all adventurous outdoor scenarios. Reliable navigation tools are crucial for safe outdoor adventures. The Anbte hiking compass features a strong 3000 Gauss magnetic lensatic design, a waterproof and shockproof aluminum alloy body, and a built-in clinometer for slope measurement. Its luminous markings enable night use, making it ideal for hiking, camping, survival, backpacking, orienteering, and other navigation needs. Every angler needs reliable tools that perform well in any condition. The KastKing SteelStream Toolkit includes a corrosion-resistant fillet knife, floating fish lip gripper, carbon steel fishing pliers, micro-serrated braid scissors, hook remover, tool retractor, and multi-use bungee cords. Built with durable materials, it's perfect for safe, efficient, and organized fishing adventures. Unexpected weather can quickly compromise your outdoor sleep setup without proper protection. The AquaQuest Pharaoh Bivy sack features a waterproof, breathable 70D nylon shell that shields your sleeping bag and pad while offering insulation. With a minimalist, ultralight, and compact design, dual-side zippers, and an integrated stuff sack, it's perfect for stealth camping, backpacking, or survival use. Reliable performance in harsh environments is crucial for outdoor professionals and adventurers. Introducing the BRUBOSES GPS smartwatch, a rugged military-grade smartwatch with a 500 mAh battery, a 5 ATM waterproof rating for swimming, and extreme damage resistance. It features Bluetooth calling, an AI voice assistant, fitness tracking, a compass, and smart notifications, perfect for outdoor work, training, diving, and exploration. Uninterrupted rest in the outdoors demands a durable and protective setup. Introducing the Chihee Pop-Up Net Hammock, an ultralight camping hammock made of 210T parachute nylon with a 660-pound load capacity. Featuring a breathable, quick-drying mesh, automatic pop-up net, strong carabiners, tree straps, and compact storage. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, or bug-free relaxation under the stars. Comfortable outdoor rest is essential after a long day of adventure. Introducing the KingCamp Cot, an oversized, heavy-duty folding sleeping bed supporting up to 440 pounds, perfect for adults, backpacking, overlanding, or tent camping. Made with tear-resistant 100D Oxford fabric, it features a tool-free auto-lock system, side pockets, and ultralight portability for tactical or recreational use. High-speed sports demand full-body protection against impact and abrasion. The Omotor Body Protective Jacket is made with high-impact PE plastic and EVA pads, shielding the chest, spine, shoulders, and elbows. Breathable lycra and mesh keep it cool and comfortable. Ideal for motocross, ATV, dirt biking, cycling, and skating, this gear ensures safety without sacrificing mobility or comfort. Outdoor meals demand convenience without bulk or waste. The fork and knife clip utensils offer a compact, ultra-thin travel cutlery set with a stainless steel serrated knife and fork secured in a durable aluminum case. Sliding easily into card slots or pockets, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or everyday EDC, reusable, dishwasher safe, and a smart plastic-free alternative. Clean, potable water is essential for any outdoor adventure or emergency. Introducing the Windhike Water Container, a food-grade camping water jug with dual spouts, a removable adjustable spigot, and a leak-proof design. Its wide handle allows easy two-person carry, while the large top opening simplifies cleaning. Ideal for camping, hiking, van life, and family gatherings. Reliable car power is crucial during emergencies or roadside troubles. The AVAPOW battery jump starter delivers up to 6,000 amperes peak current with upgraded jumper cables for all 12-volt gas and diesel engines. It features dual USB quick charge, a 12-volt DC output for inflators and vacuum cleaners, smart safety protections, and an ultra-bright LED light with multiple modes for night and emergency use. Portable and lightweight for any vehicle. A reliable cutting tool is essential for outdoor and gardening tasks. The Silky folding saw offers professional performance with a lightweight carbon steel blade and ergonomic fiberglass polypropylene handle. Its foldable design fits conveniently in pockets or toolboxes, ideal for pruning, trimming, and tough jobs. Its hardened teeth last 3 times longer for smooth, efficient cuts. Reliable lighting is essential for safety and convenience outdoors or at home. The WUBEN flashlights deliver powerful 6-mode illumination, including strobe and SOS, in a compact EDC design. Featuring Type-C fast charging with a waterproof port, aircraft-grade aluminum build, and smart battery indicators, they're perfect for camping, hiking, emergencies, and daily use. Versatile tools are vital for outdoor survival and everyday tasks. The Hanshi Wrench multi-tool hammer combines 16 functions, including an adjustable wrench with a laser precision scale, a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a wire cutter, and more. Crafted from rust-proof stainless steel with an ergonomic design, it's perfect for camping, hiking, hunting, and general repair work. That's our list of 25 must-have survival gadgets for anyone serious about prepping for the unexpected. Which one do you already own, and which one's going on your shopping list? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. We share the best in prepper gear, tactical tools, and off-grid survival tech every week. Until then, stay ready, stay sharp, and let the wild prepare you for whatever lies ahead.